In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zendrop subscription from Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, what to click, and what choices to make so Zendrop is properly removed from your store, along with handling any remaining inventory. Let's start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. Go ahead and log into your Shopify account the way you normally do. Once you're on the main admin page, look to the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a menu item labeled Settings. Click on that to open your store's settings area. Inside the settings page, you'll notice a panel on the left side with different options. Look for the one labeled Apps. This is where all of the apps installed on your Shopify store are managed. Click on Apps and you'll see a list of your installed apps. From this list, find Zendrop. It may be mixed in with other apps, so scroll if you need to until you see it. Once you locate Zendrop, click on it to open its app details within Shopify. On this page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. There, you'll see an option that says Uninstall App. Click on Uninstall App to start the cancellation process. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is important because it helps you decide what to do with any remaining inventory that might be associated with Zendrop. If you still have inventory linked to Zendrop, you'll see a few choices. You can choose to delete inventory stored at specific locations. This is useful if you want to completely remove any stock tied to Zendrop. Alternatively, you can transfer inventory to a new location, which is helpful if you're moving your products to a different fulfillment source. There's also an option to transfer inventory to an existing location if you already have other locations set up in Shopify. Take a moment to choose the option that best matches how you want to handle your remaining products. After that, you'll see a field where you can select a reason for uninstalling the app. This part is optional, but it can be helpful feedback for the app developers. Once you're done, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click the Uninstall button. That's it. After you confirm, Zendrop will be uninstalled from your Shopify store, and your subscription through Shopify will be effectively cancelled.